In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the potentially unwanted program called Broom Cleaner. While inspecting Dabby's download web pages, we found the Broom Cleaner applications. It is promoted as a tool for improving system performance by removing junk content and supposedly protecting user privacy. The deceptive installer of Broom Cleaner installed its activated version onto our test computer. Despite being activated, Broom Cleaner did not work as advertised. Due to this and the questionable methods used to promote it, this app is classified correctly as a potentially unwanted application. Also, it is spread through integration with certain free applications. In many cases, people just download and install it pretty unintentionally. Keep in mind that potentially unwanted applications often have harmful functionalities and may be bundled with dangerous software. So if you have discovered this program, Broom Cleaner, to be the part of your computer, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. Simply access the control panel of your computer, then look for suspicious programs. If you find them here on the list, get rid of them. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching and investigating the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the reliable security software. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.